All right, now we're on to stage 10 of Viking Brutality 2025. Last stage, and as you just saw, Sam just smoked that clay. It was supposed to be a drone, but just squint hard and it will be. Then, once you retrieved your rifle, you had to run through this minefield. And if you broke one of those clays, it was immediately par plus 600 seconds. So, yeah, you didn't want to do that. Your first firing position here was this tank trap. And you had to get hits on the rifle targets way down there in a 1-2-1-2 pattern. I really like this stage. 1, hitting the clay. 2, just innovative natural terrain that's using buildings instead of the woods, but great use of a range. Once you completed the engagement there, you moved over to the tree, did the same engagement, 1-2-1-2, but here you'd retain a magazine and take a clearing shot.
Retain magazine. Five. To the wall.
Okay, and at this last position there, you'll notice the shooting box is really tight, and you've got to shoot from each side of the barricade, so whether you're right-handed or left-handed, you have no advantage over the other person because you've got to shoot from each side. And it made for quite the challenging shooting problem for sure. I struggled a bit at this part of the stage, and a lot of people I talked to did. After shooting it with a rifle and being a fairly easy rifle engagement, I don't think a lot of people gave this section the respect it deserved.
There you go.
And I think Sam did the right thing by starting out on the left side because she's left-handed and go for what would be the easier shots, and then she went over to the right side to finish up. Good job, Sam. Good stage.
Shooter ready. Ready. Stand by.
Yeah, it's been a while since I shot sporting clays, so missed that big dog.
Go, go, go.
And with the high penalty count here, I definitely made sure my footing was not going to hit one of those mines because I didn't want to take 600 seconds of penalty. Now, with my full belly of good double burger and energy drink, I was running a little slow there. Apparently energy drinks take a little while to take effect after you drink them. The engagement here, fairly simple.
2.
The tank trap made for quite the stable shooting thing.
4.
And then you move out, and again, not moving fast enough. Maybe you could say like moving like pond water. But again, the tree made a very good stable shooting position.
2. 3. 4. Retain magazine.
And make that clearing bonus shot. Nice to collect that.
To the wall.
Get that rifle out of the way and move out. Again, moving entirely too slow. And then shit starts to go a little bit wrong here, but I figured out now, I've seen the video, why it was not working with the holster. Part of it, the tie-down strap's gone, but two, obviously the armor is blocking it. Know how to fix that for the future. And here's I don't know what the fuck's going wrong. And the Team America guys that were watching were even like, what the fuck was that? The fuck? Yeah, exactly. It was like just missed shots.
2. 3.
And all those misses didn't help time.
1. 2. 3. 4. It's finish unload show clear.
All right, well, this Berserker stage worked out pretty good for me. I had one of the better times. So what you had to do is take that 14-kilo hammer and hold it out straight. I managed to get 57 seconds. And this is one of those things that's way harder than it looks. And basically, I just got it in position and concentrated on it and just held it out there as long as I could. As you can see, the vibrations set in pretty quickly.
Alla gillar kill. Alla gillar amerikaner. Då var det. Keep the focus. Only easy day was yesterday.
Keep it up, lads. Keep it up. Keep it up. Don't stop. Trust me. Don't stop. Don't stop. Lads, do not stop.
Oh, get it back up.
Keep it up for 5 seconds.
How was your stage?
I had a pretty good stage. Unfortunately, did not get the clay, but I mean, got through the minefield, which was the big worry there, obviously. And then the rifle hits came pretty quick. Pistol, I started out a little rough, but then pulled it together and got it done pretty quickly.
Yeah, I got the clay.
Awesome.
And yeah, I'm used to like pigeon shooting. It's not that hard. When you figure it out, it's quite the opposite than like shooting with a rifle. You should not try to get a perfect sight picture. You have to follow it and then press the trigger. But yeah, for me the biggest worry was the minefield, because if you break a mine, you kind of do a stage DQ, so they stop you, and you get 600 seconds penalty, which would be terrible.
Yeah, that would be match crushing.
Again, there were some, let's say, medium distance targets. Shot them with a rifle, and Matej immediately, like I was aiming center mass, Matej immediately said missing left. I adjusted, so I had to aim to the right side of the target. So on the last stage, it definitely was not me, just the rifle is shooting differently than I thought it was. For the pistol, I think the guy has it zeroed on 15 meters, and this was a bit further, so I missed a couple of times over the target. But I saw it because the berm is just sand behind it. I saw the miss, and I was just aiming lower and hit everything. So
Yeah,
it was a fun stage.
I missed a little left with my pistol, but I just took a deep breath, readjusted the grip, and the hits came.
Oh yeah.
So,
Yeah, it's a Glock. It should miss low left.
no, it's worse. It's a Croatian pistol.
Oh,
I guess I should be amazed I did so good, right?
I'm surprised it didn't explode.
It's not a SIG. Team America, we came, we saw, we conquered, we delivered freedom! And our Team America comrade Finn did really good, took first place in irons. The first Viking Brutality was phenomenally awesome. It was so awesome, I can't wait for it to come again next year. So comment, like, and subscribe. Tune in for more match videos.